Hello guys, in this video I would like to show you how I came about extracting student information from HTML files, a table in an HTML file. So within this folder are various schools, and then in each of these schools we have various results indicating results of student. We have index number, the name of the student, the gender, date of birth, and then the results. Now, within this column, as a results column, we need to separate them into various subjects with their grade attached to them. So you can see that we have English language, and then grade 1, social study, and so on and so forth. So in order to extract all of these without doing it one by one, we are going to use the Excel formula, the Excel query data. So creating this Excel file, extraction file, you open it, you go to the tab called data, then we get the data, we click on data. Now within this option, we need to select from file. The reason why we are selecting from file is that we want to load all of the folders within all of the HTML files within that folder at once, and then load them into the query editor so that we can extract all of them. So clicking on from file, we click on from folder. This is going to open the folder location. We are going to browse to the folder location, locate that particular folder which has the HTML files, and then select all those files within it. So let me go to desktop, then locate the file name, which is the file name is school HTML, this one. There's nothing inside because we are selecting from folder, then we click on open. So this is going to open, is going to lead us to the query editor step by step. It will be loading every table in each of the screws as indicated here. So we have certain buttons below here. Let's click on the transform data. You can also click on the combine. Click on the transform data. So it opens the Power Query Editor in Excel. We are doing this extraction so that we have all the data being organized in CSV files. Then we'll use Power BI to make interactive dashboard by loading it from the CSV files. So when it comes here, then within the first column where we have the binary or the content, you click on these two drop down arrows to combine all those tables into one sheet. Okay, so over here we click on tables to view how the table will look like. So we have the index number, the name, the gender, and then the results. Over here we click OK. It is now going to take us to the actual query editor for us to do some cleaning. We are going to remove certain columns and then transform the data nicely into CSV files. This is a whole bunch of data, so we'll separate them, each of them into different tables or different CSV files. We'll have something like school names, schools, students, and then we'll have something like results containing each particular data. So over here, in each column, we are dealing with, in each column, we'll be removing certain things from it, what is unneeded, what is not needed, we will be removing it from it. So with this first column are the school names. I don't need the extension .html. So selecting, whilst this column is selected, we click on the transform tab and then we locate the extract. Within this option, we want to use before, text before delimiter. The delimiter we are going to use is .html so that we remove the .html, remaining only the school name. So type here .html click OK, then it extract only the school name. Let's give it a proper name, the column heading as school underscore name. Then over here too, we need to also do certain things. Since we are comparing, we are extracting these data for 2022 and then 2023 examination results. So we need to distinguish between the two years, the first year, which is 2022, and the second year, which is 2023. So I would attach a string to this. I'll convert this one to string and then attach a string 2023 to it so that we can identify it. So let's move on to the next video so that we would have those things being done in that video.